everyone, this is Josie with firstthecoffee.com. In this stitch tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet back loop only stitch, or also called the back loop half double crochet stitch. This stitch, when worked back to back, can give you a nice dense texture with a wide rib appearance. It can be a stiff stitch, so it doesn't have a lot of drape to it. So you can't start this stitch from a foundation chain since it does need to go into a back loop. So you want to have an initial row that you're starting on. So here I have an initial row of half double crochets. So when starting your first row of the back loop half double crochet, you'll want to chain one and then turn your work around. When you're looking from the top here, you'll see these individual stitches that look like V's when looking down on them. We're going to want to go into the back stitch, which is this back part of the V. So you'll want to yarn over and insert your hook into the middle of that V and go under that back loop. Then yarn over again and pull a loop up. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. So just yarn over and pull through all 3 of those. So again, you yarn over, go into the middle of that V and go under that back loop, then pull up another loop, and then yarn over again and pull through all 3. And you'll just repeat this on down the row. Okay, just like before, to start your next row, you're just going to want to chain one, turn your work around, and then yarn over and go into that first stitch, under just that back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3.